Hi, my name's Scott, and I'm going to do a video walkthrough of this newly arrived new model, new for this year. It's a Mastercraft XT22T. So this is a 2023 boat. It's a new model. So this boat is different than the regular XT22 because the XT22T has the traditional bow. So it's a nice 22-foot boat. If you like that traditional bow, you can go with this model. But it has all the other stuff from the XT. It has the rear pop-out seat here, flip seat back here. Has the nice walk-through with the pop-up ski tow bar, sea deck all the way down to the flooring. That is the reverse flip seat. Nice curved seating, phone holders. Klipsch speakers are new for 2023. You get an extra speaker that is standard up front by the driver and by the passenger, so a lot more sound. We did the advanced audio, so you do get the subwoofer also. 7-inch touchscreen with the SurfStar system. We did the walk-through door here, and still 3 people can fit up in the front of this 22-foot boat with the traditional bow. It's still very roomy. This boat is 5,200 pounds and has 3,020 pounds of ballast. So a lot of ballast on this 22-foot boat. I've surfed this boat, it leaves a great surf wake. It's a great wakeboard wake, but this boat rides really well. Fantastic boat, lots of room. It's got the Z folding tower with the wakeboard racks, Klipsch speakers on there. Come and check this boat out. We did the cloud gray on the inside with the all cool fill interior and the Decadence flooring. So 2023 XT22T, brand new for this year. Just got it in. It'll be at the store in Greenville, online at MarineMaxGreenville.com, or you can give us a call at 864-236-9005.